Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw different types of junk food. We all love to eat junk food, but it is unhealthy. Today I will learn you about their names also. Let's follow me and try to draw with me. First one I am drawing, this is called cold drinks. Now I am drawing a burger. This is called burger. We should not eat these types of foods regularly. We should eat regularly healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, eggs, meat, fish, milk, etc. Sometimes we can eat these types of foods, but promise me you will eat every day healthy foods. Now I am drawing ice cream. I know you all love ice cream, but it is not good for health. We can eat ice cream in the summer, but not regularly. I complete to draw the picture. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using a watercolor to color these junk foods. First one I am using the orange color. Here I am using the deep orange color. Here I am using light brown color. The burger is also light brown color. So here I am making the burger in light brown color. Here I am using the deep brown color. Now I am using the light green color. Here I am using light brown color for the ice cream's middle part. Here I am using the deep brown color for the ice cream lower part. Let's make the ice cream in rainbow color. I am using here deep blue color. Now I am using the light blue color. Here I am using the yellow color. And the last one I am using the deep green color. Wow, all the junk foods are looking so beautiful. You should also try it at home. And thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little kids.